Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon with EO Seeker. India's DRDO has embarked on preparations to test an advanced iteration of its Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon, marking a significant leap in precision-guided munitions technology. The next generation SAAW equipped with the Electro-Optical Seeker, that is EO Seeker, will now possess the capability to engage moving targets, a feature that broadens its operational scope beyond static infrastructure. Retaining its impressive 100-kilometer range, this upgraded variant promises to enhance India's tactical strike capabilities, reinforcing its position as a leader in the indigenous defense innovation. Now, the Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon, first tested in 2016, was designed as a lightweight, precision-guided bomb to neutralize enemy airfields, bunkers, and radar installations. Developed by DRDO's RCI, that is Research Center Emarat, in collaboration with the Indian Air Force, the baseline SAAW weighs approximately 125 kg and uses a satellite-based inertial navigation system augmented by GPS for guidance. Next, L&T's 651 kilowatt water jet system. In a significant stride towards self-reliance in defense technology, Larsen & Toubro Precision Engineering Systems has successfully completed preliminary sea trials of its indigenously designed and developed 651 kilowatt water jet propulsion system. The system, boasting over 70% indigenous content, was tested aboard the Indian Navy's Fast Interceptor craft, marking a key milestone under the Defense Research and Development Organization's Technology Development Fund scheme. This achievement, announced on April 15th, underscores India's growing prowess in maritime engineering. The 651 kilowatt water jet propulsion system is a testament to L&T engineering excellence and its commitment to Make in India initiative. Designed by L&T PES, the system is tailored for high-speed naval operations, offering superior maneuverability, efficiency, and shallow water performance. Water jet propulsion, unlike conventional propellers, accelerates water through a pump to generate thrust, enabling rapid response and precise control critical for fast interceptor crafts used in coastal defense, surveillance, and anti-smuggling missions. Next, historic defense MOU signed for next generation combat vehicles. In a landmark move for India's defense sector, the JCBL Group, through its defense arm Airbornics Defense and Space Private Limited, has signed India's first ever defense memorandum of understanding with Slovakia, formalized during President Draupadi Murmu's state visit to Slovakia in August 2024. This pioneering agreement, announced on April 15th, focuses on co-developing and advanced technologies for light tanks, future-ready combat vehicles, and futuristic infantry combat vehicles. The partnership, aligning with the Make in India initiative, will see ADSL manufacture cutting-edge systems including turrets, remote-controlled weapon systems, and active protection systems entirely in India, reinforcing the nation's push for self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Next, roadmap to elevate India's aircraft component manufacturing. In a strategic push to bolster India's aerospace sector, the government is crafting a comprehensive roadmap to enhance aircraft component manufacturing, aiming to position the country as a global hub for aviation supply chains. The initiative focuses on easing regulatory norms, providing robust research and development support, and addressing critical industry needs to foster innovation and scalability. The roadmap comes at a time when India's aerospace ecosystem is gaining global attention. Industry giant Boeing already sources components worth over $1.25 billion annually from more than 300 Indian suppliers, including numerous micro, small, and medium enterprises. Next. Marking a new era in India's aviation, MRO. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has embarked on a transformative journey by commencing the overhaul of Airbus A320 family aircraft at its state-of-the-art maintenance, repair and overhaul facility in Ozar, Nasik, Maharashtra. This milestone, announced on April 15th, marks HAL's first foray into civilian aircraft maintenance, expanding beyond its traditional role of servicing military aircraft like the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. The successful delivery of an overall A320 Neo to Indigo in March 2025, alongside ongoing work on two Embraer aircraft, underscores HAL's growing progress in the commercial aviation sector, aligning with the Make in India initiative. Next. Cost of a Made in India Rafale F4 program. In December 2021, UAE signed a landmark $18 billion deal with France Dassault Aviation for 80 Rafale F4 fighter jets, marking the largest export order for the multi-role aircraft to date. This deal, which also included 12 H-22-5M Caracal helicopters, has sparked discussions about the potential for a Made in India Rafale F4 program, particularly as India seeks to bolster its air force and naval aviation under the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Drawing on the UAE's contract as a benchmark, this article estimates the cost and implications of producing Rafale F4 jets domestically. The UAE's $18 billion contract covers 80 Rafale F4 aircraft, comprehensive support packages, logistics, training, spare parts and weapons system integration, with deliveries slated to begin in 2027. Next. Indo-Russian venture to supply AK-203 assault rifles. Kerala Police could soon become the second Indian security agency to get domestically produced Kalashnikov assault rifles after the Indian-Russian joint venture Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited, registered and located in India, announced its decision to participate in a tender for the supply of AK-203 assault rifles for the local outfit. Thank you.